In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make 3D logo in Canva. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly type Canva, and this is what it looks like. Now to start, you just have to create the design. Everything is up to you here, but I chose presentation. And then suppose that we're going a 3D logo for Instagram. So I have uploaded an Instagram logo here. This is an example. I removed the background, of course. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so what you're going to do is simply duplicate this one and then kindly move the original up here. And then we have here the duplicated version. What we're going to do here is just simply go to duotone. I mean, click the photo first, go to duotone, and then tap this effect here, cherry. And then kind of change the highlight into color gray. Okay, and also aside from highlight, change the shadows to color gray too. Okay, so look for color gray. This is what it looks like. Okay, and then after that, duplicate this image so we have the third picture image here. What you're going to do is to simply go to adjust and then kindly adjust the brightness. Same as this one. It's like -100 for contrast, it's 100 up, and for saturation, also -100. So this is the result. Now let's go back to the original image here. You just have to right click, go to layer, and then kindly set this to back. That is back. And then drag the color gray here in the second image. Right click, tap layer. Again, right click, tap layer, and then send this to or send backward. And then last we have here is the third image. Put it back. I mean, same as the other one, the first one. Right click, go to layer, and send backward. So this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do is to simply move the original image up. You will need this later. And then you just have to simply group this one first. Okay, tap group and then duplicate. Now you can move this first picture down, up, left, everything is up to you. But later, what we're going to do is just simply duplicate this. And this should be the result. And then after that, we just have to move the or drag the original picture up here. So I know this is not the best one, but this is just for tutorial and I know that you can do better than this. This is just an idea on how to make a 3D logo in Canva. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.